This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Pam Fountain. Great location, home on a level lot with split bedroom floor plan. Large living room with spacious dining area. Galley kitchen with lots of cabinets, pantry. Large utility room. Master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Deck. 2-car garage. Home is ready for some updating. Seller is willing to give buyer a carpet allowance to be included in an accepted offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Pam Fountain at 931-707-2100.